Color choice is strategic, not aesthetic. This tutorial breaks down how color influences emotion and behavior. High-performing thumbnails usually rely on color contrast, not saturation. Opposing colors like blue and orange or yellow and purple naturally attract attention. Start with a neutral base. Then choose one emotional color to dominate. Red for urgency, blue for trust, yellow for curiosity. Use accents sparingly to avoid visual fatigue. Skin tone should always be preserved accurately. Oversaturated skin reduces authenticity and trust. Use selective color adjustment rather than global saturation. In editing, isolate your subject using masks and boost contrast locally. Background should be muted to push the subject forward.